kitchen. Today we are going to see a variety of puri called as Masala Poori, which is famous in southern states of India like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Before going to the recipe, let's see the ingredients. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, required oil for frying puris, required water, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, coriander leaves, wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of Bombay Rawa, 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's begin the recipe. First of all, take wheat flour. To that add 2 teaspoons of Bombay Rawa, then salt, required salt, then garam masala powder, jeera powder, turmeric powder, chilli powder, coriander leaves, two teaspoons of oil, and mix well. To this, add water and make a dough. Now the dough is ready. Now you have to take small rounds, make it into small rounds, now take a pan and heat the pan. To this, take oil, and allow the oil to heat. Allow the oil to heat. Let us give some time for the oil to get heated. Meanwhile, we'll take these rounds and roll it into the size of a puri. Is heated, you can take the puris and fry them in oil. Take one by one. Don't put all the puris at a time. You have to fry them one by one. And be careful while cooking near the oil. You can press it also in the middle of the puri so that it will become fluffy also. Now the masala puris are ready. Do try this at home and let me know the feedback. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much.